show is now one of the most important events in our calendar. It's a fantastic opportunity for us to be able to talk to contractors of all types, to be able to have conversations and give demonstrations of all the types of products that we do for most interiors and the building envelope.
Mapei is my go-to on the silicons, 100%. It's just easy to use. Comes in loads of different colours. Obviously, I haven't seen like the epoxy cleaner there, and then the silicone cleaner I usually use just like washing up liquids. But it's nice to see you've got something else there, and it seemed to work really well. Yeah, it's a good little product to use.
It's up there, yeah. I wouldn't expect anything less than Mapei. They're a market leader. I don't know if there is one main benefit, but I might just see something that makes my job a little bit easier. And that'll be the main benefit. One thing makes my job easier.
Neil's very good. He's just taken us through the crack repair kits, and he's been talking about the top coat system that you've got. This is our third year at the show. It's a very good compact show for us, so we get to see lots of people that we deal with in a small area, so it's really very good.
Use Mapei as my go-to grout, but also knowing that you've got some newer materials out, that these polymer-based ones. Wanted to learn a little bit more about those. So that was the key thing for coming here today. Especially the Keraquack Easy for taking the haze off, rather than washing loads of times. Just spray it once, takes that haze off instantly. So yeah. And also I wanted to learn a little bit about the different levelling systems that you can use for the large format tiles. I'll be recommending it all to my colleagues at work and friends that are in the trade in the pub tonight. I'll be telling them to come to Mapei stand.